World of remote work has opened up a whole new level of flexibility and opportunities for professionals around the globe. And within this realm, one job that is often misunderstood is data entry. When people think of data entry, they often think of tedious, low paying work that is not just worth their time. But I'm here to tell you that that is not always the case. One of the greatest misconceptions about data entry jobs is that they are always low paying. I mean, who hasn't heard of that entry job that pays minimum wage or barely above? But the truth is that there are many data entry jobs out there that offer salaries that are much more higher than that. The problem is that these jobs often require specific skills and qualifications that not everyone possesses. Another challenge in finding high-paying data entry job is weeding out the scams and fake opportunities. Unfortunately, the internet is full of fake job postings and scams that promises the world but deliver nothing. So it's essential to know what to look out for, where to look to find legitimate high-paying data entry jobs. But even with these challenges, many professionals are drawn to data entry work because of its flexibility and autonomy. With the right skills and knowledge, data entry job can be a lucrative and fulfilling career. And today I'm going to share with you 5 data entry jobs that offer salaries of $200,000 or more per annum. I know what you're thinking. Data entry jobs don't usually pay $200,000, right? Well, you're right in a sense. Traditional data entry jobs won't get you there, but there's a whole world of data related remote jobs that go beyond basic tasks. As companies continue to rely on data to make smart decisions, they are willing to pay top dollar for people with the right skills. And trust me, these roles are well within your reach if you're willing to learn and put in the work. So without wasting time, let's dive in. The first job on our list is data scientist. First up, we have the rock star of the data world, data scientists. Data scientists analyze complex data sets to uncover trends and help businesses make informed decisions. This role isn't just for the maths geeks. It's for anyone who loves problem solving and working with technology. In fact, data scientists are some of the most in-demand professionals right now. To get into this field, you will need skills like advanced statistics, machine learning, and programming languages like Python or R. The great news, these are all things you can learn online, and there are tons of free resources available. Once you have these skills, you will be a hot commodity. Data scientists in industries like tech, finance, or healthcare can easily command salaries ranging from $120 to over $200,000 plus. Many of these positions are fully remote, giving you the flexibility to work from anywhere. So, if you enjoy working with numbers, love problem solving, or are fascinated by data, this might be the role for you. And don't worry if you don't have all the skills yet. There are plenty of courses on platforms like Coursera, edX that can get you started. In second place, we have IT manager. Next up is a role that is critical to every company's success, IT manager. You might think of IT as just fixing computers, but IT managers are responsible for overseeing a company's entire tech infrastructure, and they are compensated very well for their expertise. IT managers don't just fix things, they lead teams, implement new technologies, and ensure that all systems run smoothly. And in today's world where remote work is the norm, many companies are offering remote IT managers positions. If you have 5 years plus experience in IT leadership skills and an understanding of tech strategies, you could earn up to $200,000 or more annually in this role. So, if you're someone who loves tech but also enjoys leading teams, this could be your dream job. And the best part, you don't have to be in the office to do it. Many IT managers' roles are remote, so you can oversee entire operations from your home. Talking of high paying remote jobs, watch my video titled 7 Remote Jobs That Pay Over 6 Figures You Can Get. The link is in the description below. Third in this list is Senior Data Analyst. Now, let's talk about a job that is closely related to data science, but a bit more focused on making sense of business data. Senior Data Analyst. While entry-level data analysts might not make 6 figures, senior level analysts can definitely reach that $200,000 mark, especially in competitive industries like finance, healthcare, and tech. As a senior data analyst, you won't just be crunching numbers, you'll be turning data into actionable insights using tools like SQL, Tableau, and Power BI. You will also need to specialize in areas like business intelligence and predictive modeling. These skills allow you to analyze market trends and help businesses make key decisions. And because senior analysts are trusted advisors within companies, they command top dollar. If you're already in a data role, this is a career path where you can grow, specialize, and make serious money. The more you can turn data into a story that helps businesses, the more valuable you become. Number 4 on our list is Remote Sales Director. All right, let's switch gears and talk about something a little different. Remote Sales Director. You might not immediately think of sales as a data-driven job, but let me tell you, top sales directors are heavily reliant on data to close deals and grow their teams. As a remote sales director, you will manage sales teams and use data to forecast trends, close high-ticket deals, and develop winning strategies. The tech industry is one of the best fields for this, and compensation packages often include a base salary plus commissions, making it possible to exceed $200,000 per year. If you have a strong sales background and love working with data to drive performance, this role can be incredibly rewarding and it's perfect for remote work. Remember, the key here is knowing your industry inside out. If you can manage a team and close deals remotely, you're set. At number 5, we have full stack developer. And finally, we have a job for all the coding enthusiasts out there. Full stack developer. Full stack developers are in huge demand because they can handle both front end and back end development, essentially building complete websites or applications from start to finish. To be a full stack developer, you will need to know multiple programming languages like JavaScript, Python, or Ruby. But don't worry, there are tons of resources out there to help you learn this, and the payoff is massive. With experience, full stack developers can earn anywhere from $20,000 to over $200,000 a year, especially when working with high growth startups or established tech companies. And the best part, full stack development is a job you can do entirely from home. You could literally build the next big website or app from your couch. If coding is your passion, this is a great way to combine creativity with technical skill and make serious money. So there you have it, 5 data related remote jobs that could help you hit that $200,000 mark or more in 2024. Whether you are interested in data science, IT management, sales, or coding, these roles offer incredible opportunities to earn big while working remotely. Remember, the key to landing these roles is investing in yourself. Take the time to build the necessary skills, whether it's through online courses, certifications, or hands on experience. The digital world is expanding fast, and remote work is here to stay. So, why not get in on the action? If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Brain and Bank, and drop a comment below about which of these jobs you're going for. Let's grow and succeed together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.